Alright everyone, welcome back to another video here at Life Without Fear Chiropractic. If you haven't already, hit the like and subscribe button. In this video, we're going to go over a great stretch. It's going to work your whole posterior chain, but also your low back. So a lot of us have what's called hyperlordosis, meaning our back curves this way. There's actually TikTok videos and stuff now showing that people doing squat thrusts is actually causing things like infertility and stuff like that. We'll go over that in a separate video, but a lot of what can cause that, your reproductive organs stem from your low back, the bottom three there. So a lot of us don't have a problem in extension because a lot of us have an elevated heel in our shoes, which is a problem. And then we're always doing things in extension. We're hunching over, doing those types of things. But really what this is going to do is it's going to cause flexion in the low back, and that's going to work the whole posterior chain. It's one of my favorite exercises. So for this, there's a couple ways to do it. I'm going to show you my favorite way. You can get a slant board, and we have links. We'll link all this stuff in bio. But you can do elevated toes. You're going to see that my legs are locked. And then in this area here, my low back. I'm not going to keep it flat. I'm going to try to round it. Picture the back sides opening apart. And so you can do it this way. You can always grab like light weights or a kettlebell too. Probably about like 10 pounds, somewhere in there. And then I'll hold these and just get a deeper stretch. And I can actually rotate out over each foot, and that's going to cause more tension in the hips and the pelvis. And you can do that for 30 seconds to a minute. You can do that twice. My personal favorite one, for me currently, if you're super tight, is I like to start with an isolated leg. So I'm actually going to bring you over here so you can kind of see it this way. But this foot's going to go on, I'll keep you right in the middle here. Foot's going to go on, elevated toe like this. And then this other leg can be bent, but this leg's got to stay locked. And then we're just going to do 15 reps, rounding that low back again. And then we'll do a 3-second hold at the bottom, slow and controlled back up. And we'll go back into it again. 3-second hold, slow and controlled back up. 15 reps each side. Some of you may feel it in your calf through here. Some of you may feel it in your hamstrings. But again, the goal is to round the back. So I always think like for some reason, and if you're a professional diver, I could be doing this completely wrong. I'm not one of those, but I always picture like diving. So I always round that low back. Most of us, it's going to be a struggle in the beginning to open up those joints, but if you do this every day, or for me, I always do mobility days, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Sometimes I'll pick a few of these and do these on the other days as well. But it's such a great exercise, again, to start opening up those joints in the low back. Those are big discs. They take the most stress each and every day. But also the ones if we're doing extension exercises like hip thrust, and we already have degeneration in those areas, that will continue to cause those to be more destructive, but also impacting those nerves again. They go to the reproductive organs, digestive tract, urinary tract, also down to our legs and feet. One of my favorite exercises, if you're having low back discomfort, this is the one that I probably add to my everyday regimen. But if you guys haven't already, hit the like and subscribe. If there's someone that you know that would benefit from this video, a friend, go ahead and share it with them, and then I'll see you all in the next video.